Hey there, this is Marlon Johnson. Welcome to Unfurl Careers. Let's unbox our true potential. In this video, let's venture into the next topic of career planning, that is exploring careers. Let's analyze as to how we generally get to know about careers. It could be from parents and siblings, from teachers or webinars at school, from relatives or cousins, and mostly from our friends. It is good to know about careers from all these sources, but our visibility towards career opportunities are generally from only the mentioned sources. How many of us explore career opportunities through our own researches? There are billions of career opportunities available in the world. Since we need to select a career for life from the billions of career opportunities available, it becomes important for us to have a bird's eye view of the career opportunities. Meaning, we need to know the larger picture of career opportunities available in the world. With access to internet, it's not a difficult task for us to gather information of significant career opportunities. This video would help us choose a career not just through few known sources, but by exploring into career opportunities. In this video, we would be making our own master data of career opportunities and also know about career aptitude tests that would lead us towards suitable career field for us. Let's begin our exploration of careers. And meanwhile, let's not forget to note them down in a structured format. That would make our master data. The first step towards making our own master data is to list down different career fields available. Let's not forget to include futuristic career fields too. Different careers are categorized by the type of jobs and their responsibilities. Similar job types are put together under one career field. For example, accounting field would have careers related to accounts under it. Chartered accountant, certified public accountant, auditor are jobs under accounting field. So to begin with, let's explore career fields that are available. We might find many websites providing us with lot of information. Let's go through these websites, gather information, and make our own data list of career fields. The keywords that we could use for our Google search could be list of career fields available in the world, type of industries, list of job sectors, and list of futuristic career fields. Once we gather information from different sources, our data file would look like this. Collecting and compiling data might take some time, but exploring many new careers and career field would be quite interesting. Now let's explore different careers. Let's pick career field from our data file and explore jobs that comes under them. The keywords that we can use for our Google search would be list of careers under accounting field or jobs under accounting. Let's go through few websites to gather information and fill in careers under each of the career field in our master data. As we explore careers and fill them in our data file, our career master data would look something like this, with many more careers and career fields. These activities would be fascinating because we might come across many careers that we weren't aware of. Few careers that impress us would lead us to detailed researches. Let's get into the next important topic of career planning, that is career aptitude. Career assessments would help us in providing directions towards suitable career path for us by analyzing our career aptitude and our personal skills. Most of the career assessment tests would have multiple choice questionnaires. Unlike other tests, there is no right or wrong answers in this. Rather, the questions are made to understand one's personality, their likes and skills to suggest the best suitable career path for them. We can find many free career aptitude tests online, but let's make sure to select genuine and authorized career assessment tests to examine our true career aptitude. Our personal assessment questionnaire and activities would help us assess our personal aptitude. Similarly, our career assessment questionnaires would help us examine our career aptitude. By the end of these activities, we would not only be able to create our own master data, but with the help of personal aptitude and career aptitude assessments, we would be able to choose career fields and careers that would match with our potentials. In the upcoming video, we would be able to narrow down our choices by exploring each of these chosen careers.